Hi everybody, this is my practice lesson with E, U, and U. Now here we go. E, see, me, each, even, key, green, tree, very, happy, supply, merry, busy, finally, country, it, bit, beer, lift, fizz, kitchen, build, big, chimp, fifth, listen, busy, fist, display, filming, live, fish, discuss, fig, 50, bin. Look out for that sheep. Look out for that sheep. Lick. Stop it licking. Stop it licking. Chick. What lovely chicks. Chicks. What lovely chicks. Pill. This pins got vitamin C in it. Pill. This pill got vitamin C in it. Bin. Throw out that bin. Bin. Throw out that bin. Live. He's going to live. Leave. He going to leave. Ooh, blue, juice, news, truth, food, losing, ruler, movie, shoes, mood, tooth, look, new, moon, smooth, pool, blue, shoes, zoo, zoom, put, took, cook, shoot, toot, good, look, book, rule, schools. Look, a new moon. Look, a new moon. Pun. The sky said pun. Pun. The sky said pun. Full. This is very pun proof. Pun. This is very pun proof. Could. This bird could. Could. The bird could. Good. Her. He good Julie at the full moon. Good. He good Julie at the full moon.